This is phase and neutral. Okay, let's check the continuity. There is no continuity. Okay, the switch is okay. Fuse, it is not showing anything. And this is the transformer primary wise, these two. Okay, let's check this. The continuity is there. Let's put a small fuse for this and check whether it is off or on. Okay, this fuse is blown. The customer is given to me this unit. The unit is not working. Okay, okay, let's connect the wire. Okay, this is AC connection, phase and neutral. This is half series. This is on. This is the sensor connections. Okay, okay, I put the AC connection and let's put a power for this unit. The power indicator is not working. Okay, okay, this manual off and auto position. There is no power supply indicator. Okay, let's check the AC wire connection continuity. The continuity is there something. Okay, this is primary and this is secondary side. Here is 2 voltage is there. Okay, let's check the the AC voltage is coming or not from the transformer. Okay, these 2 windings are showing something resistance. Okay, okay, this is also okay. Let's put the power. Okay, let's check the AC voltage is coming or not. Okay, okay, and this voltage, it is also okay. Let's open the board. This is the regulator, 12 volt regulator. Let's check the input of this regulator. Okay, the 12 volt regulator is there. Okay, I put a 50 volt range. The center is negative. See, here is something voltage we getting, and here also the voltage is dropped. Here this is the 7812 regulator. We must get the voltage here 12 volt. Okay, okay. I soldered this dry solder of this regulator. Then we check. voltage of the regulator output. Okay, the regulator is changing. I put the power supply. See, now it is working. The power indicator is on. Okay, I think the unit is now ready to use. We must check the unit in the overhead tank position. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. Thank you very much. The power switch is on. Dry pump is on. Okay, the indicator all is showing. Okay, thank you very much. Okay.